If you're an entrepreneur that's looking to make serious money online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways you can make money using ChatGPT. That's right, ChatGPT, the language model that has taken the world by storm. But before we dive in, I just have to tell you why ChatGPT is here to stay. It's not something you're expecting to go away anytime soon.
ChatGPT is a language model trained by OpenAI and is capable of answering all kinds of questions, generating human-like responses, and even carrying out complex tasks. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to automate their business process or improve their customer service, but that's not all. ChatGPT is also a great way to make money. Online entrepreneurs are always looking for ways to improve their revenue streams, and ChatGPT offers a unique opportunity to do just that.
With ChatGPT, you can create articles, blog posts, social media content, videos, text, books, landing page copies. You can even generate websites. Is that crazy? So if you're ready to learn how you can use ChatGPT to make money online, keep watching this video, because I'm going to show you 6 different ways you can use ChatGPT to boost your income. Number 1 on my list is YouTube script writing. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts for your videos, and you can offer this as a service to YouTubers on Upwork and Fiverr and stuff. So I'm going to show you an example live. So this is our prompt. I'm going to hit enter. You can see the prompt and you can see the script that is generated. You can check out the script intro. It even tells you where to put the title slide and give different tips. Tip 1, tip 2, 3, tip 4, tip 5, and conclusion. This is a full video script you can use to create a video for your channel. You can either use this for your channel or offer this as a service on Upwork and Fiverr and get paid. I'm searching for this script writer. You can see YouTube script writer, and you can see charges of $5 per hour, $32 per hour, $60 per hour. You can just see many of them, $100, $30, $10. You can come as a new freelancer and charge maybe $20, $25, and you know that it's not taking any of your time. You're just generating this script and giving to them. You're using AI to work for you and earn money. My number 2 idea I'm sharing with you today is how to use ChatGPT for copyright. You can use ChatGPT to generate copy or landing pages for your social media content or basically anything, even your tweets, your LinkedIn, your Facebook. You can specify the channel and the platform, and ChatGPT will tune its message to that particular channel. So if you are an upcoming copywriter, you have some experience with copywriting, you can use ChatGPT to generate copies and tweak it to suit your style. The number 1 problem creating is writer's block. So if you're trying to write copies, you have to give yourself a lot of time to think and to come up with creative ideas. But with the help of ChatGPT, your game will be on steroids. You can create copies in shorter periods of time, better quality, and make more money. So I'm going to show you an example now. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a Twitter thread on a particular topic for me. Write a Twitter book or how to start your YouTube channel in 5 steps. ChatGPT website is crowded right now. They have issues like this most times. So I use another similar tool. It's also very good. And after putting my prompt, it just gave me a very, very powerful book for the Twitter post. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Follow these 5 steps to start your own YouTube channel and build your audience. So this is just a Twitter book, not a Twitter thread. I can also tell them, give me a Twitter thread on stuff. You see how this can help you in copywriting. You can see it's create a copy. ChatGPT can help you write better copies for your social media posts, for your website landing page, for your Facebook ads, or email copy, any kind of copy that you want. And you can offer copywriting as a service, earn money from giving the work. Number three, you can write and sell ebook. You can write ebooks with ChatGPT and sell it. Instead of staying maybe 6 months or 2 months to write an ebook, you can write an ebook in 2 days, 3 days, 72 hours, and you can list it on Amazon, KDP, and make money. And even generate images with adverts. And I'm going to do other videos to show you how to do this individually. But I'm just giving you ideas that you can research on and start making money on. I'm going to give a prompt to write an ebook on 6 ways to make money with AI as a freelancer. As I've showed you already, I'm going to drop a link to ChatGPT. It's an alternative to ChatGPT and it's also very good. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write an ebook for 6 ways to make money online with AI as a freelancer. You can see ChatGPT is done writing the article. If you improve the prompt you give to ChatGPT, it will improve the output it gives back to you. So you can see here, I just made it simple, write an ebook and this. And the output was so simple and so short, but I improved on it. I said, please expand every point with step-by-step detail at least 700 words each. And you can see this. It gave me step-by-step, step-by-step, step-by-step. And I can take this step and expand on it. I can take this step and tell ChatGPT to give me content about this particular step and it will break it down. I can do that for 5 different steps and I have content. I can come down to this point too and take each step and generate content for each of these 6 steps and it will give me a sizable content that will be good for an ebook that I want to monetize. Also, if you don't want to sell your ebooks, you want to help other people write their own ebooks, you want to be a ghostwriter, ChatGPT can help you be a ghostwriter, write ebooks in shorter periods of time so you can make the maximum income. You can see jobs on ebook writing, $40 per hour, $35 per hour, $50 per hour, $60 per hour. Number 4 on my list is language translation. With the IT revolution, there's less boundaries between countries and people from different countries do business together and some of them speak different languages and will require a translator. Of course, if you speak a lot of languages, if you're a polyglot, that means you can speak multiple languages, you may not need ChatGPT. But if you speak just one language and you want to earn money from translating between 2 people of different languages, then ChatGPT can help you. It can be your secret and no one will ever find that. So I'm going to give you a sample prompt. Translate into French. The digital marketing industry is now on steroids with AI-powered tools. I'm going to give a simple prompt to translate a sentence into French. All right, you can see it. L'industrie du marketing numérique est maintenant sous stéroïdes grâce à des outils alimentés par l'air. And just like that, I'm a French professional. I'm just kidding. But you can seriously take this as a service and look for places online where they are in search of language translators and offer your service to them for a fee. Next on my list is to create a video with AI. Before you say no to this idea, you will not be recording any videos, you will not be showing your face, you will not be doing anything. You will just take a script. Remember, I said YouTube video scripting. You will take a script generated by ChatGPT to an AI tool that will take that text and turn it into a video. And you will take the same script to an AI tool that will turn the text to speech, and you can create a full video without doing a single work. Now, I already have a video that I did to show you how it's done. I searched on Upwork for the job of YouTube video creation, and you can see this guy charges $70 per hour and he has earned over $50,000. Imagine the amount of money you can earn from executing video projects with ChatGPT. You don't do any work, you don't record video, you don't record audio, you don't create the script. AI does all the work and you take all the money. Seriously, you should be arrested, but don't tell anyone. And the last on my list is how to write a blog with AI. This is perhaps one of the most used feature of ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to write your blog post. So I'm going to get a title as a prompt. I'm still going to do a review for ChatGPT by WriteScreen, but it has a feature where you can choose article writer and generate a complete blog article. So we're going to put the topic, how to start a YouTube channel in 21 days. Beginner's guide. Write the article. This may take 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, our article is ready. From zero to YouTube hero, a 21-day guide to starting a successful channel. This is too much. It even rewrote the topic I gave it to something very captivating. Okay, this is way too powerful. This is way too powerful. You can see how long the article is. It's a full blog post, and it was done in, let's say, basically 4 minutes. It was more than 1 or 2 minutes. And I can just download this. Look at the article here. This is way too powerful. This is way too powerful. I've written a complete blog post. Let's go to Upwork and search blog content writer. You can see this, over $200,000 earned from writing blog posts, $75 over $4,000 earned, over $30K earned with writing a blog post, over $100,000 earned with writing blog posts. You can see this. There are a lot of opportunities to make money with ChatGPT, and I just showed you. I didn't hold anything back. And there you have it, 6 ways to make money online using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to automate your process, or to get more freelancing gigs, or to increase your income online, or to help you create better content for your brand or your agency, anything you want to do. Maybe you want to create better blog posts, better videos, easy videos, better copies, and stuff. I've just showed you how you can do that and how you can monetize the skill. Just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment on which idea you are going to execute right now and how you are progressing with it. I would like to get your feedback and your comments, and I have only one thing to ask of you. Just kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I drop a new video like this one. You can check out my ChatGPT playlist on my channel for more videos that teach you how to make money online. Catch you soon.
Bye.